Hi, this is Jonathan Bravo from Ms. Carter's first period class. Today I'm doing an experiment based on microwaveable light bulb, which is this. First, I need a light bulb, a glass cup, and some water, which I have in this orange cup. So first, I'm going to place the light bulb in the glass cup and fill it up with a little bit amount of water. So now, I'm going to put the light bulb I'm going to put this in the microwave and set it like for about a minute to two and absorb. As you see, the light bulb will light up when the microwave is turned on. This is possible because the tungsten filament with the light bulb is able to absorb the microwave radiation. As the filament absorbs energy, it becomes so hot that it glows. So thank you for spending a couple of minutes to observe my experiments, and have a nice day, and shout outs to all my homies and my friends. Bye. Have a nice day.